Welcome back. We're continuing the news. Over in St. Thomas, what started out as a dreadful week for one nail technician and her family ended in tears of joy on Christmas Day. The holiday was engulfed in sadness after fire gutted Takei Reed's salon on Dumfries on December 19. But as Giovanni Dennis reports, help from one foundation and anonymous donors have reversed fortunes.
They were here to order $300,000 for rehabilitation.
Almost floored by an unexpected Christmas gift.
Glory to God, I tell you, glory to God.
The basis for her joy, a little over a week ago on December 19, fire destroyed Takei Reed's salon, cookshop and 2 vehicles, one of which belonged to her husband.
It was heart-wrenching, I tell you, it was devastating. I saw a step and I just sat there and I just screamed. And I don't know what, I just got up and I just started to walk.
When the Member of Parliament, Dr. Michelle Charles, heard of the fire, she was moved. The $300,000 donated by the Me and Me Neighbor Foundation is being matched by a further $300,000 by donors who asked to be unnamed.
Our heart is full to be here on Christmas morning because this is what Christmas is really about. It's about finding people who deserve to have a gift and giving them what we can. And in this situation, we were really touched.
Mrs. Reed, in the meantime, was overcome with emotions from the outpouring of support. Now, on the day of the fire, both units at the St. Thomas Fire Department were dysfunctional. The fire brigade apologized, committing to do better.
We'll be having some new trucks coming into the system next year, and I guarantee that St. Thomas will get another one. So these kind of situations will be lessened.
Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.